Hey guys, it's R.V.C here and I'm back again with another video. Well, I managed to get my hands on the Redmi Airdots and the Xiaomi Airdots. I got them from AliExpress and the prices are different depending on the model. Anyway, for today, let's look at the Redmi Airdots. I got them for 25 bucks, but you can get it cheaper if you get them from China warehouse. Well, enough of that, let's proceed. We have the specifications at the back of the package, but it's all in Chinese. There's nothing really interesting around the package and everything is in Chinese. Let's proceed with the unboxing. Inside the package, we get the storage unit which has the Mi branding and it's tiny. We get extra ear gels. The user manual is also included, but it's in Chinese. Just to show how tiny and slim the storage unit is, here is a side-by-side comparison with the Huawei T85 and the AlphaWise V6. Well, I hope you noticed that there was no USB cable for charging the storage unit. The storage unit uses a normal micro USB pin for charging and it has an LED to indicate if it's charging. Anyway, now let's get back to the Redmi Airdots. The storage unit is pretty light and inside the storage unit we have the earbuds. The earbuds are plastic built and feel very light. In terms of size, they are pretty same as the other models mentioned earlier. They have LED that indicate charging, and once you remove them from the storage unit, they enter pairing mode, which makes them easy to pair with your device. It's unfortunate that they are not equipped with a voice assistance. It just has beeping tone to indicate connected. How about the sound quality? The overall sound quality is awesome and pretty loud. They actually isolate well too. By the way, they are rated at 4 hours of continuous music listening. You can use the buttons on the earbuds to either pause or play music. Anyway, sincerely speaking, if you want true wireless earbuds with awesome sound quality, then get these. I can recommend them to anyone. Well, for now, that's basically it. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please drop it in the comment box below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Share this video, and I guess I'll have to see you in the next one. Bye.